When choosing your countertop for your kitchen, you must consider, again, not the trends, but the way you live and the way you will use the kitchen. Here and there, we hear requests for wood top counters or cement counters. And anytime we do that, we go through an extended session of describing to you the problems that you could have on both versions. The truth is, with technology, the best countertop that you can have at this time is a quartz countertop. It may be Cambria, or it does not have to be Cambria, but ultimately you need a quartz countertop. Quartz countertop are non-porous, they don't require any maintenance, and if you take care of it well, it will take care of you as well. So what do I mean when I say take care of it? Well, don't go beating it up. Use common sense when using the countertop. Don't put a crock pot that is 450 degrees on the wall that is an outside wall and outside is minus 40 degrees, because obviously you're causing distress to the countertop. But for normal day use and abuse, quartz will take care of you. There is many colors, there is many brands, there is many textures. There is also now mats are going crazy because they just give you that more of a today look, versus the polished are considered to be too old school. It doesn't matter. Ultimately, polished or matte, it will take care of you. I say definitely invest in it.